Praveen. How should I handle this because time is short?
With an MBA who can balance books and budgets. Respected Chief Guest Dr. Guru Prasad Bhatt, officials from District 121, my dear Toastmasters.
In an effective manner, club executive committee meetings, attend district sponsored club officer training program. She or he would meet, and the responsibility she or he must include keep financial record, submit the new club office, work with the treasurer to submit your order, ensure that adequate club supplies are available. Responsibilities include attract visitors to the club through free efforts, help members with any requirement during their journey. As Club Vice President Education, here is Toastmaster Praveen Pinto. I hand this gavel over to you as a symbol of the power and authority that your club has given you during your term of office. Please the best of its ability to be the best Toastmasters Club possible and to meet the needs of all its members. Your club will need active participation from each member. Do you as members pledge to work together with your officer team to make Winners Club the finest?
Is not measured by his accomplishments, but by the content of his. He took all my critiquing with a smile and used it, I must say, to his credit and to my learning as a learning experience.
Division Director DTM Jyotika Shetty, Area Director Toastmasters Sherlyn, invitees, my family members and guests.
Division Director Jyotika started her journey with Toastmasters in the UK, mother of 3 children, a published author and a professional public speaking coach.
Director and our area director and the dignitaries here. Today I think I would be wrong if I said that the happiest man in District 121 is none other than our Prince, Toastmaster.
New dimension for me because I've never been a speaker like this. So anyway, but yeah, this is a difference.
District 121 Director DTM Savita Salyan.
Of my home club, Winners. A very good evening to you. You will understand if I say
by me, it is actually the floor should be open for felicitation by all the leaders, but then we won't announce it now. Instead of the floor being open to all the dignitaries, I want this stage to be vacant, and I request all of you to take your places there. And Bhaskar, since your role as MC now has a break, please shift on this, okay? And shift the teapoy from there. Alright, K.S. Kamath, can you please shift the teapoy from there? And Savita and our dignitaries, please be in front. Savita and Dr. Guru Prasad, where are you, sir? You are the chief guest. Please be in front. Yes. Let the chairs be there, no problem. We are not going to bring the roof down. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This evening is dedicated to International Moon Day. Ojai is the Valley of Moon. And this evening, we take the moon as a metaphor for many things that we yearned for and sometimes were not able to achieve. Winners Club was chartered way back in 2001. But we had to wait for 20 long years, even more than 20 long years, to get one district director. Well, we did have quality, didn't we? We had excellent orators like Bharati, we had excellent intellectuals like Samina, we had excellent leaders like Brian, so many. Still, not only winners, the whole of Division F was not able to get one district director. And at that point of time, our feelings were like this song, Koya Koya Chand. So, we want to tell you how we felt when we didn't get it. Oh, Koya Koya Chand, Khula Aasmaan, आँखों में सारी रात जाएगी, तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी, ओ खोया खोया जान। मस्ती भरी भरी हवा जो चली, खिल खिल गई ये दिल की कली, मन की गली में है खलबली कि तुमको तो बुलाऊं। ओ हो खोया खोया जान, खुला आसमान, आँखों में सारी रात जाएगी, तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी, ओ खोया खोया जान। Well, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, after waiting for such a long time, we did have a moon adorning the firmament of Toastmasters district, and it was at that point of time we felt like singing. आज कितने दिनों के बाद गली में चांद निकला। But then, our fear is, Savita might grow so busy that she might not have time for us. And if that happens, we are going to sing, what's the song? Play it, please.
चंदा रे कभी तो समीप पर बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे, तुझको आते इधर लाज आए अगर ओढ़ के मुझको आते लाज गाए अगर ओढ़ के आजा तू बादल गए
I ask Reena and Roshni to keep their fear at bay because today is the celebration time and we are going to celebrate this rare honor that has come to Division F and we are going to celebrate a Wonder Woman called Savita Salian and we dedicate this finale to our own Savita Salian. Music please.
ये चांद सा रोशन तेरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें पैदा तूने बनाया ये चांद सा रोशन तेरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें पैदा
a chair to be put in front. Dancers, please don't go away. Please put a chair in front for Savita. And we have some special people among the audience to honor you as well. Beginning with distinguished Toastmaster Samina Nayak. Please come over. Yes. Followed by a new member, Sheila, who will also come to honor Savita. And we have, yes, please honor her. Yes, yes, with the shawl. And we have Roshan bringing to Savita. Yes. And Devika will come here and put this majestic turban on our majestic lady. Yes. And Sheila will bring to her a small gift of love. Yes. And even as Savita sits there blushing, may I request our chief guest to join us here. Yes, we don't have the days, but please join. And Praveen, could you honor our chief guest as well with a token of our love and gratitude? Yes, and may I request our division director Jyotika to join us here on the stage. And Anusha, could you bring to her our gift of love? And I request our AD to join us here. Please come. And we have our new member, Satyendra, to give to our AD a small gift of love. And I ask if at all there is any. Yes, Roshan is our member. Roshan, are you here already? Yes. Now Praveen and Shaili, you will hold this moon behind Savita, of course. Over her head you can hold this. And all of you can take a star each. I don't know how many there are. If you run short of stars, no problem. Yes, and chief guest, please come forward, and AD and DVD, please come forward. Yes, please. Yes, yes, a little high. Yes, please come forward, sir. Our chief guest, Jyotika, come this side. Yes, are all seen with the star? So this is the star-spangled sky of Venus. Yes. If you are not seeing, come and sit in front. If anybody is not seen, come in front and sit. Yes. So here we have our district director Savita with her own members and with the chief guest DVD and AD. Anusha hasn't come here. Why do you need a special invitation, Anusha? Please come.
Rani?
Yes?
Rani?
Rani also is not here. I said all winners. What happened? All winners, please come here.
Okay, sound please.
Make the photo perfect.
Rani, you can come here.
Comfortable.
Are we done? Paparazzi?
Thank you very much. Savita wanted the mic a little while ago. I will give her the mic now. And I request all the members to take their seats. And Savita would like to say something, I suppose. So I give the mic to Savita.
Thank you so much. Forget the skills which I've honed here and I was talking about when I was participating. I think the biggest thing what I have honed here is this is truly my family. Toastmasters, my home club, and the entire religion here. I would say you all are my family, and the honor and felicitation what you all have given me, I don't think in my home family members have done. It was just another day, but I think from the time I have been elected or I have been declared as a district director, the celebration just went on. It's as if the full city of Bangalore has celebrated, and this is the friends which I've made here are a treasure for my life, and you all are the biggest part of my story in my life. Thank you so much. I really thank you.
Thank you, Savita. When you write your story, your autobiography rather, I think Bharati and I will be your editors. And one will write the prologue and one will write the epilogue. Okay? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we come to the last part of felicitation. I saw the district admin entering the room. Is he here? CAMN Pai, distinguished Toastmaster?
Yes.
Please come. The floor is open for felicitation and we begin with the district finance.
Yes, but I never took the courage.
I'm very proud of my dad today. I have helped him and he has helped me more. Step by step, I'm out of words for how much he has done for me and how much he has achieved today. Thank you.
One, with all the stars and the moon over there, what is left?
The registration ceremony of Winners Club. Last year also I was here, and this year it is more special because of the moon and our district director. I hope
Esteemed guests and Toastmaster, distinguished Toastmaster.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Ready.